Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, how we can understand Bhagavan's energy? How we can understand his creative energy? And what is the potency of Bhagavan? How he is doing that, everything. That is also great science. That is called Krishna science. Krishna Tattva Jnana. Jai Krishna Tattva Vigga Vitta Say Guru. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that who is Guru? Guru means Jai Krishna Tattva Vitta Say Guru. Anyone who knows Krishna, he is Guru. Guru cannot be manufactured. Anyone who knows about Krishna, as far as possible, we cannot know Krishna 100%. That is not possible. Krishna's energies are so multi. Parasa Shakti Vividhaiva Sriyati. One energy is working in one way, another energy is working another way. But they are all Krishna's energy. Parasa Shakti Vividhaiva Sriyati. Maya Dhakkena Prakriti Suyate Sacharacharam. The Prakriti, we see this flower is coming out of the nature. Not only flower, so many things are coming out through the seed. The rose seed, there will be rose tree. Bela seed, there will be bela tree. Now how it is happening? The same ground, the same water, and seed also looks like the same, but it is coming out differently. How it is possible? That is called Parasa Shakti Vividhaiva Sriyate Savabhiki Jnana. The ordinary man or the so-called scientists, they say it is nature producing, but they do not know what is nature, who is supervising the natural activities, the material nature, how it is working. That is said in the Bhagavad Gita, Maya Dhakshena. Krishna says, under my superintendence, the nature is what? That is the fact. Nature, the matter. Matter cannot combine together automatically. These skyscraper buildings, they are created with matter. But the matter has not come to become skyscraper building automatically. That is not possible. There is a small, teeny spirit soul, the engineer or the architect, who takes the matter and decorates it and creates a skyscraper building. That is our experience. So how we can say that the matter is working automatically? Matter does not work automatically. It requires higher brain, higher manipulation, therefore higher order. Just like in this material world, we have got the highest order, the sun, movement of the sun, the heat energy, light energy of the sun. So, how it is being utilized? That is stated in the Shastra. Jasyagvaya bhramati sanghritakala chakro govindamadi purisam tamaham bhaja. This sun planet is also a planet, like this planet. As in this planet, there may be many presidents, but formally there was one president only. Similarly, in each planet there is a president. In the sun planet we receive this knowledge from Bhagavad Gita. Krishna says, Imam vivassati yogam prattavanahamabhayam. I first of all spoke the science of Bhagavad Gita to Vivassa. Vivassa means the president of the sun globe. And his son is Mano, This is the time. This time is going on. It is called Vaivasvata Manu period. Vaivasvata means from Vivasa, the son of Vivasa. He is called Vaivasvata Manu.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,